How to draw the goldfish cracker step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a circle towards the center of the page. This will be the outline of our goldfish's eye. Now, on the inside of the circle that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the pupil. Be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And if you're new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, right above the eye that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a curvy line going from left to right. This will be the top of the head and the bottom of the sunglasses. Well done! Now let's go ahead and draw a curved line connected to the right side of the one that we just drew together. This will help us make the right side of the goldfish's face. Connected to where we just stopped, we're going to want to extend the line to make the smile of our fish. Keep in mind this is the snack that smiles back. Fantastic! Next we're going to want to move towards the left hand side of the page to draw the back tail along with the underbelly of our fish. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Before we draw the sunglasses of our goldfish, let's go ahead and draw a curved line connected to the smile. This will make it appear as if our fish's mouth is open. Fantastic, this looks great. Now we're going to want to move to the top of our fish where we're going to draw the outline of the sunglasses. Before we color in our fish completely orange, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the inside of the left sunglass lens, along with fill in the pupil black. This is how to draw a goldfish cracker. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, the next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. And we upload step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Great job today, and see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.